The thrill of the title race, understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that often generates excitement among sports fans around the world: title race. If you've ever followed a sports league or championship, you might have come across this term. So, let's break it down and understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it. Stay tuned to become more fluent in sports lingo. The phrase, title race, refers to the competition between the top contenders in a sports league or tournament. It's the intense battle for the championship, where teams or individuals strive to come out on top by the end of the season. This term isn't just about any competition, though. It's about the crucial, often nail-biting, part of the season when the trophy is within reach, and every game or match is pivotal to the final outcome. Title. This part of the phrase represents the championship or honor that the competitors are striving to win. It's the recognition of being the best in a particular league or competition. Race. Unlike a literal foot race, here, race symbolizes an ongoing contest or struggle for superiority. It emphasizes the dynamic, competitive aspect of the campaign. Putting it together, title race is used to describe the competitive journey towards winning the championship title, often filled with suspense and uncertainty. Let's see how to incorporate title race into conversation. The football league is heating up, and the title race is closer than ever. With only 3 games left, it's a 2-team title race. Unexpectedly, the underdogs have joined the title race after a series of impressive wins. Remember, while it's commonly used in sports, title race can also be metaphorically applied to any competitive scenario in the business or entertainment worlds. There are a few variations of the phrase, title race, that can also be used. Championship race, often used in motorsports or when referring to a series of events, rather than a league. Pennant race, specifically used in baseball, referring to the race to win the pennant or the league championship. Race for the title. This is another way to phrase it, putting more emphasis on the race aspect. And that's a wrap on title race. Whether you're watching your favorite sport or discussing the top competitors in any field, you now know what it means when the title race is mentioned. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident using this phrase. Until next time, keep on learning and using your new language skills.